2007 Ford E250 handicap wheelchair conversion van, Ultra by Mobility Works. Braun wheelchair lift, 96,000 original miles, clean Carfax, clean title, nice clean straight fan. It is a E250 2007 Ultra by Mobility Works. There's a tow package. It's in good shape, no body rust anywhere. Very nice, clean, straight van. Has the Braun wheelchair lift. Lowered floor. L-track tie downs. TV, DVD entertainment. Beautiful conversion inside and out. And it does have a rear folding bed. That is manual, but it does fold down into a bed. Very nice, clean van. Great shape for the year. We buy and sell a lot of handicap vans, so please give us a call at 954-561-2499. Show you how the wheelchair lift works here. Again, it has 96,000 original miles. It has the remote handheld, which you can also use the lift on the lift itself. There's a lever. Everything works seamlessly. Nice part about this Braun lift is it folds all the way away. Give you the tour of the front. Has the big plush conversion seats. They're in excellent shape. As you can see, this van actually belonged to a famous quadriplegic triathlete. Excellent shape. A 5.4 liter V8. The emergency brake is on so that you can operate the lift. As you can see, the vehicle's running. It's running perfectly. No lights on. 96,168 miles. Get your radio here. Thing works great. Nice sound system. Have your, it's beautiful in the back. Nice and comfy. There's blinds on the window shades. It's got TV. You have the valence lights here. They work. Very nice, clean van. No stories whatsoever. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We are happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Don't miss out. This van's great. We will price it to sell. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Thank you.